Just yesterday morning, let me know who were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. Well, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. The lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. To look down upon me, Jesus, you gotta help me make a stand. Just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Went put my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Who knows if the cold wind blows, it'll turn it around. All of us will come on the telephone and talk about things to come. See things in flying machines and Jesus on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. I'd see you one more time again. It's the sun dreams coming by each time around. I'd see you.